Once again.
I finished eating my ice cream. Oh my god, I have to throw away some. It's too much, but I had the cone and I had most of it. It's really good. Huh?
And I couldn't help you.
And my husband couldn't help because he said it's gonna act up his sinus. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, it's 4 p.m. here in Jamaica, and now I already fit my dress. So the lady fit it up and she gonna sew it together. So she said we must come back for the final fitting. So we are heading up there now, back up to Stony Hill. I'm gonna try on my dress again and I'm gonna do the final fitting. But guys, you can't see my dress until tomorrow. I will show you, all right? So we're gonna head back up the hill, and once the car stop, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a taste test of the Callaloo patty and the what's that? The pudding. The it's what kind of pudding? It's like it look like a potato, but then it look like a cornmeal. I don't know if they mix it together or what, but we'll see. This is a vendor on this side of the road, and then here they have some ackee, and I got 3 of. I have some mangoes. I bought 3 mangoes, and these are the green gungu, and I got 2 June plum, and she have banana. And I have 1 pear. I bought 1 pear, and she have some orange, and this is sweet sap. All right, guys. So, oh, and some guys. This me must show over here too. She have the bulla. You see the bulla right here, guys. It go well with the pear. All right, bulla and pear. She have bun and cheese. So this is a little stall. All right, and she have what's that? Sugar bun. Cornbread and crackers and biscuit and stuff. And right here she have juice. All right, thank you so much. Okay, now I'm gonna do some taste tests. First we're gonna try the Callaloo patty. All right, now I'm gonna put it on the bag like the last time. I'm gonna bite it just like that, and it looks like this, guys. Break piece so I can show them. Break it in two. And I gave my husband the big piece because he's the man in this thing. All right, I think he's hungry more than I do. So this is how it's looking. Yes, oh my, it looks good. So here goes. It's so good. Wait here. Good. I love it. This is it. Oh guys, you like my nails? I just did my nails for the wedding. I try to keep it simple, nude and blue with bling. And guys, look at the patty. And they well seasoned the Callaloo. I should have buy 2. It's so good. Guys, it's full of pepper, but it's good. It's so good though. Lots of pepper. My husband say it's spicy, but it's so good. Why pepper for you, man? The bone on the backside. Final bite. I want to eat one more. So it's Devon House Bakery, and they said they're operated by mothers. Now this is the part, the sweet part. Potato pudding. My husband said I should drink something, and this one is the same one that I tried this morning. It's the guava Lasco I Cool, and it's a guava flavor. It's a little bit hot now though. All right, this is it, guys. So it's too big for me, and you know I have to share it with my husband. They said usually it's not this big of a slice, but I guess when they cut and cut, you leave one big piece, and it's too small to cut into, but it's too big to be one piece. So I guess they sell it like this. So we're gonna do a taste test. What I'm gonna break it. So guys, can you see? Look what my husband have in his car. A knife. My God, this knife look like he make from 1969. So I'm gonna cut it, guys. Let me show you. He's not helping me, okay, guys? You wanna cut it for me, please? Just because it's cold. Thank you. So my husband cut it up in small pieces, okay? A trick about how I love my pudding, I love to eat the top, the bottom, and round the corners. I don't know why. I'm not fancy for the middle. I will eat the middle, but if I have to choose, I will eat right around the entire surface of the pudding, and then I will throw away the middle. I don't know, I just love the crunchiness, and I think everything boil out in the bottom and go on the top and around the side. All right, so that's how I love it. So here goes. I'm gonna try this big piece, and the next thing when I'm eating my pudding, whether cornmeal or potato, cassava, pumpkin, whatever pudding you want to make, I love to warm it up or bite and eat it while it's warm. But this is cold, but I'm gonna do the taste test anyways. It's good. Guys, I can't eat all of this. I don't want to put on so much pound. Oh my God, it's so good. Look at my husband. You eat some. You know, make me alone put on all the pound. Take it. It's a big piece. I'm not eating so much, guys. I think they put rum or wine in it and some raisins. Oh, that side there. All I need is some water and some juice, and that's my next meal. This is like eating something on the side because this is not dinner time yet. All right, guys, so it's really good. I'm in the car again because I'm outside. I just went to fit my dress for the final time, and somebody has sell watches, sell out money watches. So I'm gonna pay her 1,000 Jamaican dollar. That's about $10 Canadian for her to press the dress for me because I don't want to burn it. I don't want to soil it. And then my girlfriend gonna pick them up and we're gonna go rehearsal. All right, guys. So I'll see you soon.